What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to replace a spark plug on a Yamaha Raptor 660. This is a 2004. So what we need to do is get up under here. There's the boot and it goes up. Right up in here is where the boot goes. And the spark plug is size 18. There is a special socket to remove spark plugs. I have a few of them, but nothing to fit exactly this size. So I measured using the new spark plug, NGK, and it seems like it'll be totally fine to use this extended socket. So we're gonna remove it right now. Here is the old spark plug. As you guys can see, it's pretty burnt. I'm gonna pull it out like this. Oh wow, that's in a lot worse shape than I thought it was. NGK, same brand, which I'm happy about. I don't know if this spark plug has ever been replaced or not. I honestly did this because I purchased this quad not too long ago and I figured a fresh start, little maintenance here and there wouldn't hurt. There's that. Here's what the new spark plug looks like. Same size. So we're gonna drop this bad boy in there, tighten it up, and see how she runs. Don't forget to put the boot back in. Make sure everything is nice and snug. Don't over tighten the spark plug. Fuel on. Starts right up. I guess in a few days I will find out if it made a big difference or not. Hoping it did. But that's it, guys. Super simple, super easy. Honestly, 5-minute job. Spark plugs are fairly inexpensive. It's like $4 or $5 for that spark plug. Do it on your quad. I think change it every 3-4 rides. It's not that expensive,